Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Truckers Lifestyle at Alfredo's YouTube channel. Job number 2 is on the way. Going to get it done. I've hooked up already, and yeah, I'm just going to do the usual checks, and then strap the load, and then off we go. I know we're going to stop on our way to have a proper break because I need to get this done in a way that we can manage to do the collection as well. So right guys, let's just go do the usual, do the checks, and then we proceed with the rest. First thing first, always dog pin first. Dog pin goes in first, and then you do the rest. And then I'm going to do the lines. Get the number plate. This is going to be easy. I think it's a left hand trailer. Yeah, we'll find out. Right, let's do the lines first. Right, lines done. Going to do the legs. Right, let's get the legs done. The axle is down. Right, legs done. Right, legs done. Release handbrake sorted. Let's do the back. Do the checks, tires, the usual, nuts, airbag, tires okay, nuts, all the way around, tires, airbags, tires, nuts. Right, let's get the number plate in. Just knew it is one of those lousy trailers, so hope they'd change the straps, because if it's the yellow straps we're in big trouble. Oh Jesus Christ, how are we going to do this? Mamma mia. Hold on. Right guys, we've got to get this load strapped. So let's get up at least somewhere in the middle where we can get enough space. Right guys, all strapped with these bungee straps. They're not the best to do the job, but you've got no choice. The only issue is you get them so tight they'll damage the stock, but they've got to do something about this. Either change the straps like the other trailers that they've been doing, or else it's going to cost the company, which I don't like. Right guys, all set. Hello guys, welcome back again onto my YouTube channel, Truckers Lifestyle at Alfredo's YouTube channel. Just finished strapping the load, securing the load, and just going to the gatehouse to get clearance. It's going to be a tight one. We'll need to stop. I've already had about 15 minutes before my 6 hour, so let's see how we get on. Right guys, job number 2. Right guys, heading to the gatehouse. Job number 2. Right, guys. Right, guys. All set. Let's go. It's going to take us about 2.5 hours to get there, but we'll need to stop in between to have a break because I doubt it that we'll get there. Let's see how many hours. Where are we, Taco? So far 2 hours might get us there just about, but then you can't, there's no way you can get out there and have a break. So let's try and see if we can push it. Right, guys, may the Lord be with us, guide us onto this journey we're about to take and bring us home safe. Amen. Hello guys, welcome back again. We're on the M1 now, heading to Chelmsford, and it's going to take us 2 hours and 30 minutes. Our ETA is going to be 0110. So 0120, sorry, 0120, depending on traffic. So try as much as we can. I've tried to work it out. I've driven so far, it's 2 hours now, 2 hours and 3 minutes. So if we can really make it before 4 hours and a couple of minutes, I can just drive straight, get it offloaded, take a break, and then pick up the collection. But all in all, it will depend. Let's see how everything goes. Right, guys, from here we're going to pick up the A14, then the M11, A120, A130, and then A131 to Chelmsford. So I'll keep you updated, guys. See you in a bit. Alright, guys, going off the M1, picking up the A1, picking up the A14, guys. Right, marching on the A14. And we see how things go from there. Right, guys, I'll speak to you later. Enjoy the ride, guys. Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, Truckers Lifestyle at Alfredo's YouTube channel. Apparently we are almost picking up the M11, but we've got some road works. One lane is closed, 2 lanes, so we're just going to stay on the 2 lanes that are there, but we'll be occupying the one of them, which is going to take us straight onto the M11. There's some roadworks around here, and they've blocked off 2 lanes. So far so good. ETA is 0208. Got an hour and 15 minutes to go, and we've got 56 miles to go. So taking it easy, because you've got cameras all over the place here. We're doing 40, which is speed limit around the roadworks, and then now it's clear, so we are heading on. Guys, we're on the M11 now as I speak, and this is going to take us all the way to junction 8, where we're going to go off, pick up the A120 to Chelmsford. According to the time driven, we've got 3 hours and 11 minutes, which means we've got another hour, 1 hour and 19 minutes to go. So I'm not sure whether we're going to make it before we get there. So let's see if we can make it before we get to our destination. So if not, we'll have to stop, clear the taco, driving time, and then go on offload, and then have a proper break. Right, guys, so if you're new onto this channel, please kindly do subscribe, share and like my contents, hit the notification bell to receive more videos regarding Truckers Lifestyle. This is job number 2, delivery 2, and then we've got a collection to pick up, so we'll try and see how we can work it out to get the job done. Right, guys, see you in a bit. Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Truckers Lifestyle, at Alfredo's YouTube channel. We're going off the M11, picking up the A120, heading to Chelmsford. Just going to push it right to the end, to 4.5 hours drive, and see if we can get closer to our delivery point. If not, we'll have to stop somewhere, have a break, clear the taco, and then go and do the delivery. So far so good. Try to push this job today. It's not been easy, but trying to get this sorted easily. So you'll have to bear with me. I'll do some calculation and see whether we should just turn and burn, or have a proper break and then call it a day, and then see how best to get home safe. Right, guys, see you in a bit. Hello guys, we're picking up the A120 now. We've just gone off the slip road, and we're on the A120. It's ATA looks to be, let's see, ATA is 208. 208. We've got 25 miles to go and 41 minutes. So I'm trying to see if I can get there before the 4.5 hours drive. If not, we'll have to pull out, stop for a break, and then go on offload. And then try and see if we can get to pick up the collection. Right guys, so I'll speak to you later. Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Truckers Lifestyle at Alfredo's YouTube channel. We are approaching our delivery point for job number 2, and we had to stop on the way to clear the taco, otherwise we couldn't get here with the driving time. So we're here now. I'm going to be approaching the gatehouse, and then we go in and see how best we can get it offloaded. It's 3:25. It's going to take us a while. I don't know. It will all depend if we'll manage to get it. Right guys, speak to you later. Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Truckers Lifestyle at Alfredo's YouTube channel. We're just here at the delivery point, and apparently I've backed up. I've opened the curtains and undone the straps. I'm just going to go inside and offload. But according to the time, I don't think I'm going to make it to pick up the collection. So I'm just going to try and see as quick as I can. It's 47 minutes to 4 o'clock. And it's going to take us back home. We'll need about 2 hours, 2 hours and a half. So if I offload SAP, that means it's just going to be a turnaround, turn and burn. So guys, let me just get cracking, and I'll get back to you guys.